It's Anthony from Rockin' Prints bringing you weekly tutorials on heat pressing t-shirts and sublimation printing. Today we're going to press this aluminum 500 millimeter Canteen on my 3-in-1 mug press, and we're going to use an image that I picked up off of iStockphoto.com. We're also going to be using Creative Studio that is provided by SawGrass, and we're going to use my printer, SG400. Hope y'all like this video, and if you do, please remember to hit the subscribe button. And if you're new to my channel and would like to learn more about my upcoming videos, hit that notification bell as well. So with that, let's go ahead and get this started. All right, let's go and go to Creative Studio. Again, we're going to go to Products. Let's go to Drinkware, Bar Accessories. And I'm going to go to Travel Mugs, Drinkware and Travel Mugs. And I'm going to find something similar to a Canteen. So it looks like we got a cola bottle. I'm going to use this as my reference, and let's go ahead and pick up the image and go here, desktop. All right, I'm going to call this skull. Upload. Going to make these adjustments real quick. Get it down to a good size where we can see the whole image. Just that one's good enough right there. And bring it out. I think I like that where it's sitting. Let's get the SawGrass ready to print. And let's go ahead and hit print. All right, let's take a look, see how it looks. So it looks dull, but I guarantee you once it's pressed onto the actual accessory, it's a different story. They do come out very vibrant. And here goes our mug press. It's ready to roll, so let's go ahead and get that set up. So now that that's set up, we're going to go ahead and get that timer done. So we want to go ahead and set the timer for 180 seconds. So we're going to bring this down to 180. Go ahead and set that there, and we're good to go, guys. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut this image so we can align it with the cup, with the Canteen. I'm sorry. We're gonna just make some. All right, now we have our image. Let's go ahead and set it up. Okay, so I have the heat tape resistant set up on one side to help me do this video. So we're going to go ahead and put this image on here. We're going to apply it. So it really doesn't really matter where we're going to put it because we don't really have to center it anywhere, but we do want to make sure that it is kind of aligned where it's in the middle. So there we go. And take it like that, and then let me grab some more tape. And let's go ahead and apply this tape here. So make sure it's nice and snug and straight as much as possible. All right. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Just gonna remove this top part. I just don't want any problems. See where I put it. Let's see if we have enough. We're gonna have to tighten this up some to make sure that it's nice and snug on the canteen. All right, I think we got it to where it's as tight as it's gonna be. Let's go and press it, and let's start the timer. And everything looks like it's nice and snug from each side. All right, looks like it's ready. Let's shut that off and release the pressure. Let's go and take our canteen out. Let's set it somewhere where it's not gonna burn us. We'll let that cool off just for right now. All right, guys, let's see how this looks. It's cooled off now. And let's see how this came out. Here we go. Check that out. There you go, guys. Goes back in the plastic, in the box, and it's ready for purchase. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see you guys back soon. Take care.